How to change Google background. If you want to change the Google background on your iPhone, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to personalize your Google search page background with a few simple steps. First things first, open the Google or on your iPhone. Now, if you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store. Now make sure you sign into your Google account. If you're not signed in yet, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner and sign in with your credentials. This step is important because changing the background requires that you're logged into your Google account. Now let's get to the fun part, customizing your background. Now in the Google app, tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on settings or swipe and find settings. Now simply tap on theme. Here you can find an option that says theme. You will see three options, that is light, dark or set wallpaper. To change the background, simply select set wallpaper. From here you can either choose one of Google's default image or upload your own photo. To set your own custom wallpaper, tap on the upload option and select a photo from your iPhone's gallery. Choose the image you want to use, adjust it if necessary, and then hit set wallpaper. And there you go, that's how you change the Google background on your iPhone.